signal provider and social trading. In this video, we will show you how to use signal provider for multiple strategies, multiple advisors and social trading. You can send signals from multiple computers using multiple platforms like AMI Broker, TradingView, MT4, NinjaTrader, etc. I will first show you the admin application which controls everything. The admin app controls which advisor can send two signals to which particular clients. The admin app also controls the licensing of each client. You can add users here. M1 license is given for paper trading and M2 license is given for live trading. After adding user, you can assign them strategy tags. The client needs to log into application API bridge. You can preset risk management and portfolio management rules for the client. Investment advisor needs to use the application Signal Provider. I am showing you how to set up Signal Provider. This is a very small application which sends long entry, long exit, short entry and short exit signals to admin. The Signal Provider app securely connects with admin using token. Now, investment advisor can send signals manually or by using completed automated strategies. As an example, I am sending signals in SBI from Signal Provider. The signal goes to admin securely and then goes to end client. You can see the details of signal sent in Signal Provider. You can also see logs of signal processed in admin. You can see the log of signal received in API bridge. You can also see the log of order sent to broker. The best part is, investment advisor can send signals for multiple strategies, but signal will be sent to admin only in designated strategies. Like strategy 4 signal is rejected here because it was not authorized by admin. Only those clients will receive signals who have been authorized the strategies. In this way, the admin controls trading in multiple strategies and multiple advisors. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.